Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to hide the number of likes your Instagram Reels have and keep them private? In this video, I will show you how you can do this easily on your iPhone. Let's go. There are two ways in which you can hide the like count on your Instagram Reels. First, you can have this configured prior to posting. To do this, open Instagram on your iPhone and log into your account. Go to the Reels tab and press the camera button in the top right corner. Then choose some media files to include in your Instagram Reel and add special effects if you prefer. Once done, tap on Next to proceed to your post's configuration page. Scroll down to Advanced Settings, toggle on Hide Like Counts on this reel, and then save your post. If you have forgotten to enable this configuration prior to posting, you can still do so from your profile dashboard. Simply choose the certain Instagram reel, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, and activate Hide Likes from the listed options. Now, the number of likes your Instagram Reel has is hidden from other users and will remain so until you revert your settings. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.